Welcome back to the next session of our coding and decoding odd man out series. Look at the question, sir. Find the wrong term in the sequence. One not 5, 85, 60, 30, 0, minus 45, minus 9. Now look at this difference of this minus 20, minus 15, this is 25, minus 30, again minus 20, minus 25, minus 30 means it should be minus 35, then it should be minus 40, then it is minus 45. This is a difference. Now where with which term the given sequence is not following this pattern, sir? With this 0. With this 0, this is not equal to minus 35. 0 minus 30 is not minus 35. Now look at the logic one more time, sir. 85 minus 105 is 20 with the minus sign. 60 minus 25 is minus 25. 30 minus 60 is minus 30. 20, 25, 30. Now with the 0, the pattern is not following. Now if I take up this sequence this way, minus 20, minus 25, minus 30, then this difference should be minus 35, then this difference should be minus 40. Again from here onwards it is following the same pattern. This difference is minus 45. This difference is minus 45. Look at this, sir, one more time. 85 minus 105 is minus 20. 60 minus 85 is minus 25. 30 minus 60 is minus 30. So this is minus 20, minus 25, minus 30. If I follow this pattern, then it should be minus 35, then it should be minus 40. Because this difference is again minus 45. So where I am getting the disturbance, with the 0 I am getting this disturbance. Therefore wrong term in the sequence. Wrong term in the sequence is 0. Wrong term in the sequence is 0. Note down this. Now let's go to the next question, sir. $325, $259, $202, $160, $127, $105. 325, 259, 202. Look at the difference of this, sir. This is 259 minus 325 minus 66. Now here it is 202 minus 259. This is minus 57, 160 minus 202 minus 42, 127 minus 160. This is minus 33. 105 minus 160 minus, sorry, this is 105 minus 127 minus 20. Look at this, sir. This is 11 into minus 2, 11 into minus 3, 11 into minus 6. So the sequence is multiples of 11. Now where I am getting disturbance, sir? Minus 66 means here you are getting disturbance. It should be 55. This difference should be 55. Then I'll get this value multiple of 5. Then I'll get 44, 33, 22. Therefore, wrong term in the sequence. Wrong term in the sequence is 202, sir. It should be replaced with some other number so that I'll get this difference as 55. This I have to get 50. Okay, sir. Next question. This is 56, 58, 62, 70, 84, 118, 182. Now look at the questions, sir. 56, 58, 62. So difference of these two is equal to 2. Difference of these two is 4. Difference of these two is 8. But the difference of these two is 14. 4, 34. Here 182 minus 182 minus 118. This is 64. Now sir, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. And 8. 64 means it should be 32. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 means 8 2s are 16. Then 16 2s are 32, 32 2s are 64. Observe the difference one more time, sir. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Instead of 14, if I have 16 here, 8 2s are 16. Then it should be 32. Then 32 into 2 is 64. You are getting the difference. 8 2s are 16, 16 2s, then 32, 32 2s 64. Therefore, where I am not getting this one, after reaching this particular number, the given sequence is not following this pattern. Therefore, which one is the wrong term in the given sequence? Wrong term in the given sequence. Wrong term in the given sequence is 84. You have to replace 84. It should be 86. Instead of 84, if I have 86, 70 plus 16, 86. 86 plus 32. This is 86 plus 32. then it should be 118. So it should be 86 instead of 84. When 84 is replaced with 86, then it is 2, this is 4, this is 8. This is 56, 58, 62, 70, 86, 118, 182. Now see the difference are, this is 2, this is 4, this is 8, then it is 16, then it is 32, then it is 64. Then it is 64. Okay sir, wrong term in the given series is 84. Note down this. Next question sir. Fifteen, 16, 22, 29, 45, 70. 45 and 70. Now difference of this is 1. This is a 6. This is 5. No, 7. This is 45 minus 29. This is 16. 70 minus 45. This is 25. This is 25. Now look at this sir. This 25 can be written as 5 square, 16 can be written as 4 square, this 1 can be written as 1 square. But 6 cannot be written as a 2 square, this cannot be written as 3 square. So the chain is, the given numbers, given set of numbers are not following after 16. So this will be the wrong term in the given sequence. Wrong term in the given sequence. Is 22. It should be 2 square, 3 square, 4 square. If I have 2 square, then it is 3 square. 15 plus 1, 16. 16 plus 4, 20. If 22 is replaced with 20, sir. Let us see the question. 15, 16, 20, 29, 45, 70. Now find the difference. This is 1, this is 4, this is 9, it is 16, it is 25. 1 can be written as 1 square, 2 can be written as 2 square, 3 can be written as 3 square, 4 can be written as 4 square, 5 can be written as 5 square. So when 22 is replaced with 20, now you are getting this sequence which is following a peculiar pattern. So because of 22 only it is not following this pattern, therefore 22 is the wrong term in the given sequence. Okay? No term. Next question. One comma 2 comma 4, 8 comma 16, 32 comma 64, 64 comma 96, 64 comma 96. Now sir, difference is 1, 2, but the difference is 4, this is 8, 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, but this difference is not equal to 64. Look at this, 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 16 32, 32 plus 32 64, 64 plus this difference another 64, 64. Therefore, wrong term in the given sequence, wrong term in the given sequence is 96, sir. Look at the logic one more time here. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 8 16, 16 plus 16 32, 32 plus 32 64, 64 plus 64 it should be 128. 96 we have to replace with 128, then only the pattern it will follow. Okay, therefore wrong term in the given sequence is 96. Okay, next question. This is 6 comma 15, 35, 77, 165, 165. So this 6 can be written as a 2 into 3, sir. This is 3 into 5, 5 into 7, 77 can be written as 77 can be written as 5 into 7, 2 into 3, 3 into 5, 5 into 7. Then it should be 7 into 11, then 11 into 13. Look at this, 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number. Up to this it followed. But with the 77, even though 7 into 11, both are prime numbers, but how? It is ending with 3, then 3 into 5, ending with 5, 5 into 7. So it should be 7 into 11. 7, after 7 what is the prime number? 8 is not prime number, 9 is not prime number, 11 is not prime number. 1, 2, 3 into 5, 5 into 7, then it should be 7 into 11, 11 into 13, 11 into 13 how much sir? 11 into 13, 11 into 13, 143. So 77 is correct sir, because after 7, 11 is the prime number. Look at this, 165. 165 is not equal to 165 is not equal to 11 into 13. 11 into 13. 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 2 into 3. 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number. 7 into 11, 7 into 11, 7 is a prime number, after 7, 11 is the prime number. Then 11 into 13, because 12 is not a prime number, but 11 into 13, 143. This is 143, but what is this number? It is 165. Therefore, wrong term in the given series, wrong term in the given sequence is equal to 165. Instead of 165 sir, it should be 140, 143. Okay, so wrong term is equal to 165. Next one sir. Two comma 5, 10 comma 50, 500, 5000. 2 comma 5 comma 10. This is 50 sir. Sorry. Now look at this. 2 into 5 is equal to 10. 5 in these two when multiplied, third term I am getting. 5 into 10 is equal to 50. 10 into 50 is equal to 500. Then these two I have to multiply. 50 into 500. This is not equal to 5000 sir. 50 into 5. How much you have to get? 25,000 you have to get. 50 into 500, 3 zeros, 5 5s are 25. But what number is given here? 5000 is given. So wrong term in the given sequence. Wrong term in the given sequence is 5000. Wrong term in the given sequence is 5000. Next question, sir. Ten comma 14, 28 comma 32, 64, 68, 132. Look at this, sir. 10, 14. So this is plus 4. This is into 2. Again plus 4 into 2. Here it is plus 4 into 2 means into 2. I have to get into 2. 68 into 2. 8 2s are 16, 136. It should be equal to 136 instead of 132. So with 132, this pattern it is not following. Therefore, wrong term in the given sequence. Wrong term in the given sequence is 132. Wrong term in the given sequence is 132. Look at the next question, sir. This is my question and I have to identify which term does not belong to this sequence. Which term does not belong to this sequence. Look at this, sir. 5 2s are 10. So into 2. 10 4s are 40 into 4. This is into 2 into 4. What is the pattern, sir? Into 2 into 4 into 2 into 4. Then it should be into 2 and it should be into 4. 320 multiplied with 2. 320 multiplied with 2. 640. 320 multiplied with 2, it is 640. So 640 multiplied with 4. 5 2s are 10 into 2, 40 into 2, 80 into 4, 320. Then it should be into 2, 640. Then it should be 0, 2560. So this is given this way. If I multiply 0, 550 multiplied with 4, 22. So with this, with 550 it is following. But 320 multiplied with 2 is 640, sir. So here the pattern is not following. With 550 it is okay into 4. but 320 into 2, 320 into 2 is 640, but this is given as 550. Therefore, wrong term in the given sequence, wrong term in the given sequence, wrong term in the given sequence is 550. When I change 550, definitely next number will also change. But with 550 into 4, you are getting 2200. So wrong term in the given sequence is 550. Next question, sir. This is 3, 7, 15, 39, 63, 127, 255, and it is 511. 511. Now let's go with the differences. 4, 3 plus 4, 7. Here this difference is 8, 7 plus 8, 15. Then this is 39 minus 15, 24. This is 63 minus 39. This is 24. 127 minus 63. This is 64. Next, 255 minus 127, 128, 511 minus 255, 256. Look at this, sir. 125 into 2, 128 into 2. This is 64 into 2. So this is 4 into 2. Then this logic, here it is. It should be 8 into 2, 16. 8 into 16, 16 into 2, 32, 32 into 2, 64. So here I am not getting the logic. I am not getting the logic. Therefore, wrong term in the given sequence. Wrong term in the given sequence is 39. Wrong term in the given sequence is 39. Next question, sir. Now this is 8, 14, 26, 48, 96, 194, 386. Let me check up, sir. Fourteen minus 86, 26 minus 14, 12, 48 minus 26, 22. Then it is 96 minus 48. This is 48. Then this is 194 minus 96. This is 98. This is 386 minus 194, 192. 192. This way the difference is going on. 6 2s are 12, 6 8s are 48. Then look at this, 98 divided by 6. So this term should be 48, means it should be 96. So there is a print mistake here. 48 2s are, look at this, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, it should be 24 2s are 48, it should be 96, it should be 96, means it should be 192. Let me check up, sir. 192 minus 96, then it is 96, 96 2s are 192. Now look at this. There is a small print mistake in the question. It is 192. Now look at this, sir. Difference is 6. 6 2s are 12. So where I am not getting the logic, with this 48 I am not getting. So 24. 24 if I take here, 26 plus 24, how much? It is 26 plus 24. 50. It should be 50 instead of 40. 48. So wrong term in the given sequence. Wrong term in the given sequence. 48. It should be replaced with 50. It should be replaced with 50. So let me check up. 8, 14, 26, 50, 96, 192, 386. Now this is, difference is 6. This is 12. Then it is 24. Uh, 96 minus 50. 48 it should be. It should be replaced with 26 plus 24, 50. So 48 is the wrong number, sir. 12, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 24, 48, 48 2s, again it is following. So this is 96. So this number is a wrong number, 48. 26 plus 24, how much you have to get? 26 plus 24, 50. If it is 50 means, then this number will also change. So wrong term in the given sequence is 48. Okay, sir. Wrong term in the sequence is 40. The term which does not belong to the given sequence is 48. Let's see the next question, sir. Ten comma 26, 74, 218, 654, 1946. This is 5834. This difference is 60. 74 minus 26, 48, 218 minus 74, 144. Now this is 654 minus 218, 436. This way it is going on. So this is 16 into 3, sir. Next 48 into 3, 144. 48 into 3, but 144 into 3, this is 432. 144 into 3 is not equal to 436. So this is the wrong term in the given sequence. This is wrong term in the given sequence. Wrong term in the given sequence. Is 654. This is the wrong. Let's see the next question, sir. One comma 3 comma 10, 21 64, 129, 356. So the given sequence is 1, 3, 10, 21, 64, 129, 356. Okay, sir. Now this is 1 into 2 plus 1, sir. 1 into 2 plus 1, 3. Here it is 3 into 3 plus 1. 3 into 3 plus 1. 10 into 2 plus 1. 10 into 2, 20 plus 1. Here it is 21 into 3, 63 plus 1. 64 into 2 plus 1. 128 plus 1. So it should be 129 into 3 plus 1. Let me check up this. (129) into 3 plus 1, 388. So this is not equal to 356. This is not equal to 356. Except with 356, everywhere the logic is applied. Logic followed. Same logic is followed. Let us see. Wrong term in the given sequence is 356. Wrong term in the given sequence is 356. Note down, sir. Okay, sir. With this, our odd man out series problems are also over. So coding decoding is 100% over. In the next session, I'll introduce one more new concept. Okay, sir. Thank you.